Put these 3 leaves into your orchid and watch it bloom all year long. This simple, natural method will make your orchids burst with big, beautiful flowers. You'll see lots of new buds, stronger growth, and healthier roots. The secret? Bay leaves. While usually found in the kitchen, they work wonders for plant care. They have antibacterial and antifungal properties and are rich in important minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, and manganese. To make a natural fertilizer, crush about 10 bay leaves and place them in a jar. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It's a great source of starch and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Pour in about 2 cups of boiling water, seal the jar, and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Then blend the mixture and strain it through a fine sieve. Add another cup of water to thin it out. You can water your orchids with this fertilizer or pour it into a spray bottle and mist the leaves. You can also use it to gently wipe the leaves. This method will wake up your orchid, strengthen it, and encourage it to bloom beautifully throughout the entire year.